In a small village surrounded by green hills, there lived a boy named Hamza. His family was poor, but his father owned a small piece of land. Every day, Hamza saw other farmers growing crops like wheat and corn. Their fields looked green and beautiful, but Hamza's father never planted anything in their field. One day, Hamza asked, "Father, why don't we grow crops like others?" His father smiled and said, "This land is special. One day it will give us something valuable." Hamza didn't understand, but he trusted his father. Years passed. Hamza grew older, and the field remained empty. Many villagers laughed at them. "Look at that useless land," they said. After his father died, Hamza felt lost. One day he decided to dig the field and plant crops. As he was digging, his shovel suddenly hit something hard. It was a small wooden box. Hamza opened the box and found a note from his father. The note said, "My son, the real treasure is not gold. The treasure is hard work. This land will only reward you if you work on it." Hamza understood the message. He planted crops and worked every day. Months later, the field became green and full of wheat. Hamza sold the crops and finally improved his life. The villagers who once laughed at him now respected him. Lesson: hard work always brings reward. Subscribe for more interesting stories.